Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPad Pro 2018 edition. Guys, y'all know I've always been a big fan of the Galaxy devices. I've been using the Galaxy tablet for almost a year now. I've never been a fan of the iPad Pro. The first generation came out, I never used it. The second generation, never. But this is a third generation, and this is a game changer. The reason why I've never used the iPad Pro is because of the big bezels. The display were not bright enough for me. And above all, it was too heavy to carry around. So this is going to change everything. Now let's find out the reason why I decided to go for the iPad Pro 2018 edition. Let's find out. So let's go through the box and see some of the specification and information about this device. On one side, there is iPad Pro. On the other side, there is the Apple logo. The same thing and the same thing. Now on the back, I went with the 64 gigabyte, which costs almost $1,000 or 35,000 Thai baht, and the 12.9 inch Wi-Fi version. Now let's unbox this. We start by peeling off the tape, the plastic right here, and taking off is very simple. And the next thing we're going to do is to pull it up just like this. Put the box on the side. So the first thing we can see is the iPad Pro. And guys, this feels very lightweight, and I went with the silver. So let's put it on the side for a second and continue in the box. The next thing we can see is a little compartment with all the paperwork. Okay, we got the quick start guide and the Apple sticker. So we put it on the side. And the next thing is the charging brick. And guys, this is one reason why I bought the iPad Pro 2018 edition, because it comes with USB Type-C. So this is the USB Type-C cable right here. And I believe this is going to be a fast charging. So this is good. Let's put it on the side. Now we put everything on the side and concentrate on the tablet. Simply peel the plastic like this, and it feels so good in the hands. Wow, this is wow. Damn, this is good. Look at it, very thin, guys. Wow, this is lightweight, 12.9 inch, but it feels like, I mean, this is lighter than my Galaxy tablet, because this is 9.7 inch, this is 12.9, but this feels lighter than the 9.7 inch. Damn, this is good. Apple have done a great job. This is a game changer, guys. I mean, just look at it. Just look how thin this tablet is. Damn. I mean, I am a biggest Galaxy device fan, but this have changed the game completely. There are 4 speakers on this tablet, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top right here. And right here is where I'm going to be charging the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. You just drop it right here. That will be coming very soon on the channel, but right now it's still on pre-order. I don't have it yet. So the Apple Pencil will be coming up very soon. Even the keyboard, they're all going to be coming up on Big Phil TV very soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do that so you won't miss out those videos. And getting back to the tablet, guys, this is freaking awesome. Like, wow. On the back, there is a camera right here. 12 megapixel camera with HDR. That is good. The flash is right here. The Apple logo is right on the bottom, in the middle. And we got the USB Type-C, another 2 speaker grill, the charging port, volume plus and minus right on the top right here, top corner. And on the other side, we got a microphone. I think there are 2 microphones on the top and no microphone on the bottom. So that's it. Now, guys, let me turn on this device. Then we get through the real impression. Let's really see the reason why I prefer this iPad Pro 2018 edition. Let's check it out. The iPad Pro makes the Galaxy device feels like a baby. This is big, but it feels lighter and so good in the hands. You can use this all day without having a problem because it's very light. You can play game with this thing to do whatever you want to do with it, editing videos without having any issue with it. So this is going to be my permanent work device, the iPad Pro 2018 edition. Now let's power it for the first time. Where's the power button? Right on the top. The power button is right here. We turn it on for the first time. And that is it. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 12.9-inch liquid retina display with Face ID because there is no more home button. So if you want to unlock the device, you can either use the Face ID or the passcode. This device is powered by the Apple A12X Bionic chips, which is the fastest processor ever on any Apple device. So this is a powerhouse. It also has 12 megapixel on the rear camera with intelligence HDR, 4K video at 30 frames or 60 frames per second. The front camera is 7 megapixel with true depth front camera. And this tablet is compatible with the second generation Apple Pencil. That means the first generation Apple Pencil is not compatible with it, so those who own it cannot use it on this iPad Pro. And it also compatible with the Smart Keyboard Folio from Apple or any Bluetooth keyboard. And above all, the USB Type-C on the bottom, so you can charge this device with any, I hope so, because I'll be testing out different USB Type-C cable to see if you can charge it with any USB Type-C cable. So next video, it's all about trying out all the different USB Type-C cable that I have here, seeing if they can charge it with it. Let me drop my information and we get back and see more about the tablet. To unlock the device, you simply tap on the screen, then you look at it, you swipe up. Or you can use the power button right on the top corner, you press it, look at it, and you swipe up. And guys, this is the fastest Face ID ever. This is the fastest Face ID I've ever used on any devices. That of my Note 9, it's nothing as compared to that of this iPad Pro. It's really fast. You can see there is no more home button, so everything is gesture. To get back, you simply swipe up. To get into the recent application, you swipe and hold. To clean up all the different recent application, simply push up just like this, swipe up, you clean up everything. And this device is fast, guys. Just look at it. It's just a click. There is no lag, no delay. Everything is just a matter of touch and click. Just look at. So this device is good for reading information, like reading on the news. The display is really good, bright and vivid. The color is accurate. Now, let's get into things like, it's also good for listening music or watching videos. And take a listen on the speaker of this iPad Pro. And now take a listen on the tablet, on my Galaxy tablet. Now let's compare the display of the iPad Pro and the Galaxy tablet. So the display on this iPad Pro, it's really good. It's not the OLED display, but this is a really good display. Brightness is really accurate. And now let's see how it looks like when playing games. Okay, so this is one of my favorite games, NBA Live. I just load in. So as you can see, playing game on it is really good. Very fast. The display is good. The size, 12.9 inch, is the best display. And it's the best size for playing game, watching videos, editing photos, anything this tablet can handle. What I'm going to honestly say is that this tablet has blown my mind. This is going to be my number one. This will take over my Galaxy tablet. This is the best tablet out there, period. It's good in all aspects. Fastness, smoothness, the display, the sound quality, everything is good about this tablet. But the only one downside is the price, because it's freaking expensive. This is the base model, 64 gigabyte at $1,000 US or 35,900 Thai baht. So that's all I'm going to say about this tablet. Stay tuned for more videos about the keyboard, the pencil. Everything is coming up on Big Phil TV, because I'm going to be using this tablet every day for everything: editing photos, editing videos, taking photos, listening to music, watch videos, everything. So guys, that's all about this video, unboxing of the brand new iPad Pro 2018 edition. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on your notification, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Anything you'd like me to cover, let me know. I'm gonna do it. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.